guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I'm going to swatch and talk about the new Holo Taco Unicorn Dream collection. Wow! It is such a fun collection, and as you might have known, I have pretty much collected all of the limited edition boxes, like the collector's item boxes, as well as the polishes from Holo Taco. I have purchased it myself. The only thing I wanted to mention on forehand before going into all of the swatches review and so on, that this box is $60. It is already sold out. It took me a little while to actually sit down, record this video, record this intro as well, and to just put it online. So sorry about that, but of course the polishes on their own are still available. You can shop them separately if you feel like only getting a few, but you can get it in a bundle as well and still get a little bit of discount. So yeah, I also wanted to mention that the shipping has changed when it comes to purchasing Holo Taco items from, for example, Europe, where I'm from. So usually it was $29.99 I think in dollars, and it actually has risen a lot. So usually 30 bucks, you're good to go, you don't have any additional cost and so on. But this time, let me tell you, it cost me almost $45 in shipping alone. And I have to say that I did get this box as well as the matte top coat and the new formulated not milky white, as well as the one coat black, just to see if they're really improved and how the new brushes are as well. But I do feel like that $45 is such a high amount of shipping. It's insane. Like, I already felt like 30 bucks, okay, it is quite a lot of money, but 45, it's like, oh, that's a lot of money. So next time, if I'm going to purchase and order something from Holo Taco, I'm not quite sure if I'm going to do that right away, if it is not a limited edition collection box. So yeah, just wanted to put that out there before going into the review and swatches and so on. But let's just look at the box, because this box, it is so gorgeous. I love it so much. As you can see, beautiful like branding, there are clouds on there, the whole shebang. And if you open up the box, I will show you this up close and personal in the rest of the video as well. But just look at that. Look at that. Wow. I really love it. So yeah, here you can see a little sneak peek of the 5 colors already. I am going to swatch the 2 creamy colors, which is the pink and the bluish kind of tone. I'm swatching that on my thumb, and I am going to swatch the flaky unicorn skin polishes on a little swatch wheel on top of white, black, the pink, as well as the blue that is in this collection. So yeah. But if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a little part of my little nail family here at YouTube as well. But yeah, let's continue with all of these swatches. Thank you so much on forehand for watching. And as usual, I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video as well.
So let's get into the whole unboxing, swatching and so on. But first of all, let's take a little moment to actually really appreciate this box, because this is one gorgeous box. It kind of looks similar to her previous unicorn collection, but it's definitely up in the clouds, and I really love the shiftiness of the box. It is really gorgeous. On the back, of course, you can see all of the colors that are in this collection, and yeah, I am pretty much obsessed with the packaging. Like, most of all, I am a sucker for packaging. Let's just put that first and just put that out there, because I'm a big fan of beautiful packaging, especially when it comes to limited edition stuff. I just love to collect it. But yeah, next to the Unicorn Dream collection, I also got the one coat black and the reformulated not milky white, as well as the matte top coat. I will be working with those later, like in the future. I haven't really planned any dates yet to actually do some comparison videos or even do a design with the matte top coat just to try it out. But what I have seen so far, at least of the matte top coat, is that it's a stunner. It's a really good one. So I'm really curious to try that out on a later day. But let's get back to the 5-piece collection I am focusing on in this particular video. So there are 3 like unicorn skin flakies. Let's just call it flaky toppers because that's a little easier and I might not stumble as much on my words if I would mention unicorn skin flaky top coat, whatever. So yeah, there are 3 different ones. So we have the Sonic one, which is a pretty decent one. Of course, I'm going to do swatches on top of different colors as well, just to show you what they look like on different colors, and of course they will look different on top of any like base color you will use. The second one is called Galactic Unicorn Skin, and of course no unicorns were harmed in making this collection, as Christine of course also says. The last flaky top coat is definitely my favorite, but I will get back to that once I'm going to swatch it. It is just such a gorgeous one on top of any color, and this one is the Lunar Unicorn Skin. But yeah, I'm really excited and just really happy that I got this collection, because not only am I a big nail polish enthusiast, like collector, hoarder, I'd say, I really love packaging as well, and I just love to collect it all, you know? I don't know, I just like it. But the first creamy color is actually called Scientific. It's a beautiful cyan blue color, as the name already kind of predicts. Then there's also a really cute pink color, and this one is called What Do You Pink. I really love the names that Christine comes up with for her polishes, and I also saw that she recently came out with a yellow one, and I was a little disappointed that it wasn't called Banana, like Ben, you know. But yeah, I really think I am going to try and get that one maybe in a later time when she's come out with another collection, because as I mentioned in the intro of the video, these shipping costs are insanely high at the moment. So yeah, I'd rather just shop a bunch of items together and kind of save some money on shipping. But let's start with the first creamy color, and this one is called Scientific. I am very much used that the names of the polishes are on the bottom of the boxes as well, but she kind of switched it up and put them on the back. It's not a big deal, it's just I have to like keep on searching a little bit when it comes to the boxes, but of course on the polishes itself, the sticker with the name is still on the bottom. One thing that I really wanted to mention in this video, like apart from the colors, like pigmentation and so on, I was not impressed with the new brushes. Like I love the fact that they are wider, but the bristles are very like raggedy. I don't know how to say this in English, but they're very uneven, which makes the cuticle application just not as flush as I would like it to be. And yeah, I don't know, it just, the bristles are very uneven and they kind of poke out as well, and I don't know, I'm not a big fan, let me just put it to that. Other than that, this first like beautiful blue color, very nicely pigmented. It is quite self-leveling as well, but because I had a little bit of like issues with the brush, as you can see here, the bristles are everywhere. It's not a nice like rounded edge when it comes to the brush, if you can see what I mean right here. Like, I don't know what it is, but I actually pretty much preferred the old brushes because those edges were like flawless. They were not raggedy or anything like that. But yeah, back to this beautiful blue polish. I really love the fact that it is quite self-leveling, even though I had some issues with the brush being a little like meh, you know. But the color on its own is pretty nice, I'd say. Pretty. That's kind of weird to say, but I think it is a very beautiful color, and you can definitely use it in a lot of different nail art designs as well, which is something that I am definitely planning on doing as well. I think you can put some really cute like white clouds on this and you're good to go. Even use it in a gradient, even a water marble, I'd say. I still really want to do a water marble with some Holo Taco colors as well, just to see how that will work out. And also because it's been a really long time that I actually did a water marble. But yeah, back to this video, because I'm already going to swatch the What Do You Pink color. You guys know me. I love pinks. I love pastel kind of colors. I love pinks. I don't know. I like it. Even the most simple creamy ones like this one, I really love it. And I really do love the fact that these are quite pigmented but not really thick in like substancy. These are just regular, nice, self-leveling creamy polishes, and that is a big plus that I really want to give Christine a big shout out for, and just a round of applause, because I know it can be really hard to make perfect formulated polishes, and especially when it comes to creamy colors, and especially when it comes to the lighter pastel kind of tones, it can be quite hard. But yeah, I really love the first coat already. Of course, I have applied a thin coat, which is something that I prefer to do, to just make sure you don't have to wait a really long time before your nail polish is completely dry and hardened out. And that second coat pretty much made it fully opaque. You don't have to apply a ton of product, which is something that I love. Once again, the only issue I had was the brush. This one was also very uneven around the edge. You will see it in a little bit. I will show you the brush as well. I'm just not impressed with this brush. Like, I wish I could get this bottle of polish with the old brush, and that is something I never thought I would say, because I love wider brushes like these, but they have to be even and not like springing out from every single corner and just being uneven. So yeah, I'm just going to stop ranting about the brush, because the collection on its own is really pretty. I'm a big fan. I love the packaging. I love the whole color scheme and the entire theme that she went with for this like unicorn skin collection, I'd say. So yeah, let's just continue to the final swatches of the three flaky top coats, because I'm excited for these, and I know that a lot of you are a big fan of the flaky top coats that Holo Taco has come out with. I have to agree, I think they're really pretty. I do think that the three that she just released in this particular Unicorn Dream collection are even prettier than the one she came out with in the previous Unicorn Skin Flaky Top Coat collection. So if you definitely are going to pick just a couple of them and not all of the flaky toppers, definitely check out these. Of course, depending on what your personal preference and taste is. Like, this is just my personal opinion that I'm sharing right here, and you know me, I'm just being honest, and you can definitely tell if I love something or not, because I get really enthusiastic and you can just hear it in my voice. But yeah, this first one, oof, it is gorgeous. I have to say, I don't really like it on top of a lighter color, and I'm actually quite curious to see what this one would look like if I would apply it on top of like the Essie Aruba blue color, which is that very dark, rich cobalt blue kind of tone. I think that would be really gorgeous. Like, on top of the white, it just turns into a yellowy, bluish kind of sheen. Same goes for the light blue and the light pink, but on black, it is a beautiful, like, dark, rich blue color, and it shifts a little bit towards a lighter blue, which is something that I love. It's really gorgeous. But yeah, I'm curious to see how this one will work on top of others as well. But let's just continue with the second one, which is also a stunner. I really love this one on top of a black, which you will see in a little bit, but I also really loved it on top of the blue tone as well. This one has more of like a green to purplish kind of flaky, like, duochrome sheen going on in there, if you can even call a flaky polish duochrome-ish. I don't know, it's just something that pops into my mind while watching the footage and doing this voiceover. I just always go with the flow. I don't really think about what I really want to say in a video, so if sometimes stuff doesn't really make sense to you guys, that's just my brain just playing tricks on me, and just my first, like, the first thing that comes up in my mind, I just say in my videos, because I feel like that's the most honest way of actually reviewing and doing a voiceover like this. But yeah, as you can see, I'm a big fan. or at least as you can hear, I have to say. But I really love it on top of a black and on the light blue as well. I think it looks really cute on the pink too, but I'm not really a big fan of this flaky topper on top of a white. But once again, that's just my personal opinion, and definitely let me know what you think about this one. And then the showstopper, or at least for me personally, is the Lunar Unicorn skin. This is my favorite one. I love it on top of any color, to be honest. I don't know, it's gorgeous on black. I definitely love it on a white, which is kind of a unique moment because usually I don't like adding flaky top coats on top of a white because they pop more on darker colors and stuff like that, as you have clearly seen in the previous swatches on top of a black. They just really pop, and this one is just, I don't know what it is. I actually spilled a little bit as well, and as you can see while swiping it up on the little cotton round, you can already see what a gorgeous color this is on top of white. Like, I'm obsessed. I can't wait to actually wear this one on my nails, on the No Milky White one, which is actually the white that I used on my little nail wheel as well. Of course, the black is the one coat black, and the blue and the pink are from this collection as well, but I think you already figured that out. But just look at this one on top of a black, like, ooh, that is so gorgeous. And on top of a white as well. I would really love to see this one just sponged on a white base, just fully sponged on, so you barely see any white base color anymore. I'm really curious to see what that would look like, but to be honest, this one just looks great on every single color that I have tried it on so far. I think it would be really gorgeous on a lilac color as well, or maybe a really deep purple or something like that. But yeah, this was actually the entire review, swatch, unboxing video already. Let me know what you think about this collection in the comment section down below. Also, do you own the previous unicorn skin flaky topper collection? Because I do, and I'd love to hear your thoughts about which one you feel like is better or prettier or anything like that. Also, let me know what you think about the new brushes, if you have tried the newer ones as well. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video.